on, guys? My name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave, and welcome to my channel. This video is gonna be about whether you can commit to trading cryptocurrency for 1 year, and that's a challenge that I have for you guys. Welcome to my channel. In a bit, I'm just gonna share with you some thoughts and ideas on what I think about cryptocurrency trading and whether it's actually worth getting into it. I know a lot of people, whether it's on YouTube in general, you cannot take financial advice from anybody. I do have disclaimers in the description, especially people on YouTube, guys. If there's a YouTuber who's making, a video like myself in the kitchen of his house or a garage or wherever it is, you should not take financial advice from these people. Definitely do your due diligence. But I wanted to share with you whether you can actually commit to something for the long term. You see, people have the tendency every single year to get started, and within the first 6 months, they put in their heart and soul. And if they don't succeed within 6 months, usually they let go and they don't take action on the skill sets that we learn. So what I've been doing is I've broken down my channel into basically two main elements. One is the marketing side and one is the trading side. And we're talking about these skill set on videos every single day. Okay, on Mondays I usually talk about marketing, on Tuesday I talk about trading, as you can see today, and so on and so forth. So we do go into a lot of tips and tricks along the way. Now, I myself had a difficulty when I got started, and I want to share a little bit of my story before I go on my computer and talk to you a little bit more about the strategy that we have and what it can do for you. Okay, so that being said, when I discovered trading cryptocurrency as an option for me, I personally did not want to even get started trading. I thought it was a skill set that I would not be able to learn, that I would actually go into negatives in. I would get stuck into, watching and looking at the charts and not understanding anything from it. That's primarily one of the reasons why I decided. And the second reason is that I heard a lot about different trading options out there, and you have to have brokerage accounts for X amount of money and this and that, and I just wanted to dabble in it. I wanted to try. It was an interest, but I was scared to get started. So I did find, in short, an opportunity, a product actually that till today is hands down one of the best products, one of the best tools, and one of the most affordable options out there in terms of understanding how to start trading cryptocurrency. And then you can actually take that knowledge and go out in the world and trade forex, trade commodities, whatever you want. Okay, but it's understanding the concepts behind it, and it's laid out in a very simple fashion. Again, this is not specifically for that, but what I want to say is that if I had committed, okay, when I started to learn the techniques in trading from this platform, okay, from this opportunity, this knowledge, and I applied it every single day for 1 year, just 1 year, I would have done much better in the last 2 years. But the sad news is that since I couldn't commit to it because I was distracted with every other thing that was happening in my life, I moved to the Czech Republic, so there was a lot that was going on here as well. Documents, I got married in the meantime, and these kind of things, life gets to you. And I know that it's difficult to commit to it, but the most amount of people who are thinking about anything related to finance will tell you that if you can commit to it for 10 years, for 20 years, for 30 years, you will be set for the rest of your life, okay? So I'm just talking about 1 year. 1 year. Trading is a skill that is applied. You need to apply it in order for you to learn, okay? You're gonna make mistakes, okay? You're going to be emotional in the beginning. That's something that you need to take away, the emotional side of it, the greed of it, the roller coaster that it actually gets to you when you are looking at those trades, your fear of losing money when you get those trades, because you're going to have good trades, you're going to have bad trades. That's just how the nature of trading is. But as you learn, you start to spot, you start to get the right amount of knowledge, you start to avoid. And if you have a strategy that gives you step 1, step 2, step 3, and pop, you're going to do it, that kind of a strategy is simple enough to follow. And that's what we have in place. So I'm going to show it to you in a bit. But what I want to challenge anybody who does think of joining iCoinPro, which is the product, okay, it's linked in the description below. If you do decide to join and start with the strategy that we call the microprofit system, okay, I want you to commit, and this is what I want, what I'm talking about. If you just commit to 1 year of it, there's going to be a lot of results that you're going to see. Now, I've been doing it for the last 6 months, and committedly, and I hands down enjoy doing it because I see the benefit of it, right? I see the benefit of it is paid off many bills of mine, and it's growing as I go along. So the results are evident if you take the action towards it. So I'm going to go on my computer for just a bit to give you guys an overview, but links are in the description. The first link is to a free training. Okay, you're going to get a free training from iCoinPro itself on the whole strategy, so you can actually take a sneak peek of everything that's inside, and then and then you will find all the details on the page there. I've also linked a free training of mine, personal training, that I have in the description if you do want to join the pro system with me. Otherwise, icon pro link is in the description. Let me know if you do want to get started, because I personally get on a call, we start to personalize the efforts in going forward, and I'm very committed to my teammates. So I hope that you do decide to take that first step. And remember, 1 year commitment, that's the challenge. Not only for you, but anybody who's watching this video in the future, who's watching this now. It doesn't matter if it gets 1 view or 1,000 views. I want people to start to commit to that, okay? Because it's not whether I am committing or not, I am, okay? But I want you to start to commit with me, so we get on a call and talk about it, because then you're going to reap the rewards and the benefits. And I want to see that result, okay? So if it's just one person, it's fine. If it's 10 people, it's fine. It's 20 people, it's fine. I want to see you actually succeed in doing it, just like I am for the last 6 months, okay? So I'm going to go on my computer, share with you a little bit, and hope to see you guys on the inside. Okay guys, so I'm on my computer, and before I actually go ahead and show you guys a little bit, you might be wondering why I'm at the end of my page. The reason for me being at basically towards the end of this whole page is that if I check now, I want you guys to see in the description of this video, there's also a disclaimer. And I said this in the beginning, please do your due diligence regarding everything. Since I'm showing you guys maybe some results in terms of iCoinPro, I do want to read out this disclaimer. So it's right at the bottom of the screen here, and I hope that you can actually see it. So it says iCoinPro and the iCoinPro Trade Finder and its trainers provided informational service only, and are not responsible for any investments made applying this information. The results described are not typical and are not guarantees of future income. Any investment contains risk and is 100% the responsibility of the investor to assess the risks or rewards involved. It is possible to lose some or all of your investment. We assume no liability assumed or implied for your application of the information shared from the training program. Now, guys, I'm in the back office of iCoinPro, and I read the disclaimer to you so that you get that we're not just talking about a fly-by-night kind of strategy, right? Remember, we are all about the skill sets, and what do skill sets actually do for us? In my short way, or in my tagline, as I say, they help to pave the way for our dreams to come true. Okay, whatever skills you learn, whether it's hygiene, whether it is a skill to be convenient, okay, that means you automate things, you do things in order for you to be more convenient, you spend money in the right way in order to have those kind of desires and comfort and convenience that you want. It's a skill to be that organized. It's a skill to everything that you actually do in your life can be a skill if you focus on it, right? And most of the skills that we learn pave the way for our dreams to come true. This thought is very deep, and I really want everyone, maybe in the course of, when I've been in during this channel, and definitely as we develop, I want to get more into the mindset behind it, the vision behind it, because at the end of the day, every skill set that we learn has a part to play in the journey that we take. So trading is one of those skill sets that can impact us financially, and can impact us financially in order to have more assets. Okay, now I'm not saying that it has to be the only way. Your skill is an asset as well, but in a simple way to explain an asset is something that puts money into your pocket. So you can actually use your trading skill as an asset in order for you to build your assets, okay, other assets. Okay, whether it is stock investing, whether it is whatever it is, whether it's real estate, whether it is owning your own business, all of these things are possibilities of assets, right? So that's why I said in the beginning of this video, are you ready to commit for 1 year? Are you ready to take control of this aspect of your life? Okay, I'm just going to give you a rough view of things. This is the trade finder, and basically, as you can see right now, it's showing live trades that crawl on an exchange which is outside iCoinPro. And and you have these awesome tools up here. I'm not going to go through all of them, but basically you have the trade finder which spots the trades according to the micro profit system that is the strategy that we use. And there's the RSI spy, MACD crossboss. Then there is the MACD tracker, which is again amazing. Okay, it's something that I would definitely look at if I were you. The fear and greed index, very good for traders as well, and the oversold index. These are tools that we have, as we mentioned, that are there for us. Okay. Now we do this in terms of the micro profit system. So all of these tools are just not randomly made. They are thought here in the micro profit system. Now I've linked the free training in the description of this video. So if you want to check out the free training, go ahead and please do check that out. It will give you value upfront. You will see exactly how the micro profit system helps, no matter what kind of what kind of market it is. And at the end of the day, you're learning a skill set. Okay. And this is the micro profit system, which is a core element, but you get the basics of cryptocurrency. You get everything that you need here. You have advanced training. I will just basically show you. You have a quick start. You have core training. You have advanced training. You have the micro profit system, which is priceless on its own. And then you have the tools that you need. Okay, these are the advantages that you get calculators, you get a lot of things out there. Okay, and as we discuss, this site gets more and more robust as we go along. Okay, but it is mainly, as I said, a way for you to learn. Once you learn, you can start to take action and commit. And I would suggest commit to 1 year, and I'm going to show you why. Okay, I'm going to go to the iCoinPro group. I'm on my Facebook, as you can see right here. And now I'm going to go to where is it, the iCoinPro group, official group. Okay, and I'm just going to go to photos. Okay, I'm not going to show you anything else. I'm just going to go to photos because I want to show you guys the most recent pictures in this group. I've already given you guys the disclaimer, so literally I'm going to open the second one. Okay, and this is from Danny out here, and you can see the amount of trades he's been making. Okay, look at them clearly. This just has proof that it works. Okay, my first 100 profit week. Listen to David Downer. 100 profit week. He made $100 in this week. Okay, these are the kind of support that we give new members every time. There is support from the community that is non-stop. These are people who are like you and me. There's nothing special. We actually go ahead and help each other out as we go along. Now, obviously, these are different trades and everything else, but I want to show you, and I'm going to find, yes, this is okay. Yeah, let's go back and show you guys Mike. Okay, it says in July itself he got a payday, but at the same time he made, as you can see, and 4,000 in a week. Okay, 4,000 plus in a week. And no, I'm not joking with these numbers. And he's been doing it for about a couple of years. So if you focus in 1 year on actually taking action on the strategies in the micro profit system, what are your possibilities or potential is up to you, right? I cannot guarantee you anything, as I mentioned, but if you take the serious effort and commit to 1 year, that's going to change. And as I said, for me, it's already, I can see the growth and the changes as we go along. So link is in the description of this video. Please take a look at it. Okay, iCoinPro, if you guys want to know how much it costs, I'm basically just going to show you right now. I'm just going to go to one of my websites so you can see, and let's go directly to maybe the sign up page. Yeah, let's do this. Okay, so I want you guys to see exactly
how much it costs. Okay, so I'm not, nothing is away. It costs about $9.95 per month, and that's it. There's no other fees. There's no other. This is full member access for just $100 a month. That's it, guys. It's pretty simple, easy, and it gets results. $100 per month. As you saw, somebody's already profiting this. You can make the trades. You can actually make these this $100 and pay it off, and then everything else is, up to you. But like I said, it's a skill set. Commit for a year if you can. That's what you're going to do, and that's what you're going to get. Okay. That being said, skills. We're here, as I said, today's Tuesday. We're talking about trading specifically. I want you guys to get into the habit of seeing these videos and watching how these kind of products can make a change. I might be doing later on future videos of, showing you guys my trades and stuff like that. But as I wanted to give you guys the basis of my product, okay, the basis where my journey of education began and is continuing for a long, long time. It's up to you. Links in the description. I hope to hear from you, and also leave a comment below and let me know what you think of these videos, because I am trying to give you guys the best content and actually up my game, learn more, provide more, so that you start to pave the way for your dreams to come true as well. Guys, thank you for watching once again. Links in the description. There's a free video as well, a free training as well in the description. Feel free to sign up if you do want it from my side. Have a great day. I'm going to see you guys tomorrow.